Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Bite-sized review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called BiteSyzed. So this is the BiteSyzed review. Right now we are on the sales page and then we have the demo video which is for 6 minutes long, so we'll get back to the demo video later on. Right now on the sales page it says new groundbreaking AI app creates 100 plus engaging viral video clips in 2 minutes and posts them to bring tons of free traffic and sales without ever being on camera. Forget about traffic and sales. This software will only create some short videos. Okay, so when you will see in the demo video, you will be able to pick up or choose a long video from YouTube, and then you will come to the software and paste the URL of YouTube, and that long video will be converted in the short video which you can use on your social media or wherever you want to use them. Okay, so if you want to come to the sales page, you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab bite-sized copy here. Click on that link and then come to the sales page, because you will not understand anything on the sales page until you watch the demo video. Okay, so keep scrolling until you find the demo video, which will be somewhere here. So let's see if I can find that video for you. There you go. Okay, so you have to scroll until here, maybe 40%. So once you scroll 40% of the sales page, then you will find this demo video. Click on the play button, watch this demo video for 6 minutes to understand how does this video software works, and then you can go and buy this if you want to. Okay, now let's get to the bottom to see the pricing and some frequently asked questions. Don't pay any attention on the sales page, only watch the demo video to understand how this works, and then you can decide if you want this or not. Okay, so we have some bonuses as usual which I don't pay attention to. So bite size, we have starter and premium. So in the start and premium, these are the comparisons, and the price will be 35 and 67 I believe. So you can choose, you want to go with 35 or 67. And then we have some frequently questions. So how does bite size work? Blah blah blah. What types of videos can I upload? You can upload any MP4 or MOV file up to 1 GB in size. Which social platforms are supported? TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. There are no more actually. Can I add captions and subtitles? Yes. Question: how many videos clips can be generated? Technology: 100 short videos in 60 minutes. Okay, so read everything here. I'm a beginner, blah blah blah. So read these questions. Okay, and most importantly, again, watch this demo video. Now let's show you some glimpses of the demo video. So you click on the play button here. Let me maximize. Okay, and then you can see they will be picking up a video from YouTube, random video from YouTube. Okay, so you go on YouTube and you can, if I go back here, right, so they have taken a random video from YouTube as you can see, and then you come and paste the link here, and then it processes, and then you choose the language you want the video to be in, English or some other language. So you can choose that language of your choice as well, and then just wait for the software to finish, and you can customize everything here at this step. So this video will be, that long video which you have taken from YouTube will be now converted into a short video, and you can use this short video in your promotional material on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you want. Okay, so it's entirely up to you. How would you like to use the software? And again, go and watch the demo video for 6 minutes. You will find the link of the sales page below, and you will find the demo video when you scroll 40%. Okay, then we have some OTOs. So right here, if you come, you can see the upsell one is 97 per year, and then you have upsell 267, then blah blah blah. So let's scroll down. This is what you get in upsell one. Just pause the video and read everything here. Upsell one is this, and then upsell 2 is this, $67. Upsell 3 is this, upsell 4 is this per year, then 5 is this per year, and that's all. Okay, so these are those upsells. So this is not for newbies, it's for people who want to maybe do social media marketing for their clients, and they want to consistently post some videos on their social media platforms or accounts. And maybe if you are some kind of influencer and you have some traffic, or you think you can grow some followers on Instagram or TikTok using this video technique, then maybe go and do it. If you have money, if you have those $35 or $67, and if you want the software, go and buy from me and make me some money. Okay, but if you are a newbie only, I will stop you right here. As a newbie, you cannot make money with any of this. Okay, as a newbie, making money online is as simple as making my YouTube video. Okay, I am recording this YouTube video, you are watching my YouTube video, you have seen some ads in my YouTube video, my money is made because my YouTube channel is monetized, okay? Whether you buy something from me or not doesn't matter, because when you see these ads, my money is made, okay? Second method which I use is this, forex trading, buy low, sell high, or buy high and sell low, okay? It works both ways. So if you want to make money online, then don't buy this. This will not make you money. This will only make you videos. So go and watch the demo video. After that, you wanna buy, go and buy from me, okay? But if you are here only to make money online, then check out these two links below my video. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. This will teach you how to do this forex thingy using a software, okay? So go and check out the forex method if you are interested. And second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about making money on YouTube by doing these reviews or creating YouTube videos like me. So if you want to do exactly what I'm doing, then you can go and check out Traffic Jarvis and get your YouTube channel monetized, okay? In the end, BiteSyzed is only for people who are interested into video marketing. Go and get it, especially if you are experienced, you can go and buy and make it work. If you're a newbie, don't buy. As a newbie, check out these methods, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and watch the video till then if you want to make money online. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits, okay? So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework, okay? If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work, I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me. Okay, so choose whatever suits your situation. Okay, in the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.